Okay, this is the video for operation. Take a look at this. This is the manpower. Connect the wire to 380 watts power. Turn on. Then turn on the machine power. Okay, the machine is on. Press the start button. Okay. Then press the power button on the machine. See, you can see the machine, the battery is on charge. Okay, take a look at this. This is the water chiller. The setting temperature is 25. The water temperature now is 26.1. When the temperature goes high to 27, the water chiller will work. Okay. Take a look at this. The switch power is on. Then you can see the control stick can control the x-axis and the rotary. Press the switch button. You can see you can control the x-axis now and the y-axis. Okay. Look here. Press the button. The CCTV camera is on. You can see the image of this. Okay, here the dust collection fan. This switch is used to control the speed. Okay, here. Now you can see, you can set the parameters here. Change it. Change it. Then save. Okay. Now you can work. See. Press the foot switch. You can see the result here. When all work is done, turn off this and turn off the power button. Turn off the power button of the whole machine. Okay, here. First, turn off the machine power. Okay. And then turn off the manpower.